Risha, let me take my viewers to this. What Indian Army has recovered from the terrorists who were neutralized and the one who has been apprehended. You can see the ammunition and arms and ammunition that includes AK-47. Then grenades are there, the pouch. These are the bullets. These are the. You have the cells that also has a marking of the Pakistan-made cells. Then you have this achar, and you have the clothes and dry fruits and all other things. This is the fresh recovery that the Indian Army has recovered after neutralizing one terrorist on 26th morning. And meanwhile, also they have surrendered one more who has been identified, a Pakistani national, and he is basically from Ukara district of Punjab, Pakistan, and he has also said that he has trained, he got his training in the training camp from the Muzaffarabad. He attended three weeks course, and then he was sent back to home, but he was recently called for an important mission. As Major General Virendra Watt said that he was asked to drop a weapons supply in Uri in Patan, which is the part of the North Kashmir's Baramulla district, and now they have taken his surrender because he has pleaded for his life. And as per the motto of Indian Army, they don't kill somebody who is unarmed and has been pleading for his life. We see a major success for the Indian Army, particularly because the army has launched this operation in the forest area of Goalanuri, because if you remember, this is the same track as pointed out by Major General Watts also, that when Pakistan carried a strike in Uri in September 2016, that time the infiltrators had come from that very same track, and now again they came from the same track because they're from across the line. There is a Jabra post of Pakistan Army, that this complete area is dominated by the Jabra post of the Pakistani army commanders, and they were part of this infiltration this time, as pointed out by 19 GOC due, that it was because of the support of the Indian Army, Pakistan Army, I beg your pardon, that these terrorists managed to sneak in, but they have neutralized one, they have taken the surrender of another, and we are expecting to have one-to-one interaction with the terrorists who had surrendered. And as Virendra Watts also shared the phone number of the mother of this terrorist who had surrendered before the Indian Army. This also shows the frustration of the Pakistan and the Pakistan Army seeing the peace in Kashmir. They are trying their best to send as many as infiltrators, and not only infiltrators, but they are also sending arms and ammunition, as we just saw the AK-47, then grenades and the pistols, pistol rounds, revolvers, and all other material that has been recovered by Indian Army while as they displayed here.